What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you a super cool party trick you can use to impress your friends with nothing but a coat hanger and a penny. Let's get into it. So this trick consists of balancing a penny on the end of a wire coat hanger like this and then spinning it around without it flying off. For this trick, you're going to need a few things. First, you're going to need a wire coat hanger. Secondly, you're going to need a penny. And finally, you're going to need to go smash that like button. The first step is to take your coat hanger and bend it. So holding it straight like this, grab it in the middle and pull up so that you have this shape. Once you have your diamond shape, you're going to want to fiddle with it a little bit more. I would pull it so it's a little more like this, and then put your finger in it and kind of form it to your finger like this. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be twirling it like this, so make sure it can twirl easily. The second bend you're going to want to do is this hook part. You're going to be balancing a penny on the end, so you're going to want to bend this up so that when you hang it from your finger, it's straight. Right like that. Now, some coat hangers, notice this one is white. That means it has this special coating on it. And these are generally good, but this one is bad because if you look closely at it, it has a nice little rounded section here. Let me show it to you. If you look at the tip closely, you can see that it's rounded. That's not going to be very good for a penny to balance on. So like I said, most of the time this isn't going to be an issue. But if you have one that's coated and the coating is not very good on the end, you're going to want to just hit it with a little bit of sandpaper. Put it on a flat surface, and then holding this upside down, drag it along there so you get a nice flat surface to balance your penny on. So once you have your coat hanger bent like so, you're going to hang it on your index finger and then take your penny and balance it on the end. Now the trick to balancing it, to know you have it balanced well, you should be able to put it on there, and when you move it around like this, the penny shouldn't move at all. If it moves, you know you're not quite in the sweet spot. Once you have it there, you're going to start the spin. Now I'm going to spin it in this direction. So to begin with, I'm going to rock it in the opposite direction once, and then on the follow through, start the spin like this. With a little bit of practice, you should be able to spin your coat hanger without the penny falling off. Once it's spinning, you're going to need to stop. In order for the stop to work, you're going to need to commit to it. So don't kind of stop, you want to all the way stop in one fluid motion, like this. Then, for a little pizzazz at the end, what I like to do is tap it with my thumb, and the penny will fall off into my hand. And that shows that you're not using any sort of glue or special tricks to keep it on there. So something you can do to bring your trick to the next level is while it's spinning, instead of just spinning it in front of you, you can slowly start bringing it up so that it spins above your head like this. And then you can bring it back down and stop. So now that you guys know how to do this trick, practice a little and show your friends, and let me know in the comments down below how it goes. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Until next time, don't be boring.